Exciting news for those looking to streamline their forms and surveys. You can now enjoy the highest discount of 40% off on plans with the exclusive BoloForms coupon code. This is a fantastic opportunity to access powerful tools designed to help you create and manage forms seamlessly. To take advantage of this amazing deal, simply click the link in the description below. This will direct you to the BoloForms website, where you can explore their various plans and features. After selecting the plan that best suits your needs, don't forget to enter the coupon code at checkout to unlock your 40% discount. BoloForms specializes in providing innovative solutions for building customizable forms and collecting responses efficiently. Whether you're creating feedback forms, surveys, or event registrations, BoloForms has the resources you need to enhance your data collection processes. Don't miss out on this limited-time opportunity to elevate your form-building capabilities while saving. Click the link in the description to activate the deal and start using BoloForms today. Happy form building!